the thing with Dil Bechara is that it's going to be remembered for everybody, each one of the crores of people who've seen it has their own individual relationship with it, which is very intimate.
Whatever गलतियां we did, those were then जब हमें ऑडियंस जानती नहीं थी. अब हम वो गलती तो सी गलती इज पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. आई ऑल्सो डू गलतियां. एवरीबडी डज गलतियां. एंड अगर जो कोई गलती नहीं करेगा, आई थिंक दे आर डूइंग एनीवेज अ मिस्टेक.
Hi Guru, hi Sanjana, welcome to Pink Villa. Firstly, congratulations on your song. I mean, obviously it's all getting millions and millions of views already. So the first thing that I wanted to ask Guru specifically is when you put up the teaser, without Sanjana's face being shown, and you wrote New Year, New Beginnings, everyone just automatically assumed that it was wedding. What was your reaction, getting that from fans and even celebrities messaging you congratulations? How was that reaction towards you?
See, where is it written that if somebody writes New Year and New Beginning, that's a wedding? मुझे ये नहीं समझ आया.
But you were holding her hand. It was traditional clothes.
So I can hold anybody's hand. I can hold whosoever hand I want to hold and put a picture. What's the big deal? उसमें New Beginnings के साथ यही मुझे चेंज करना है. हिंदुस्तान में यही चेंज करना है. करके रहूंगा एक दिन. मैं इसी के ऊपर हूँ.
When you talk about the music video, I think people really liked the chemistry that the two of y'all shared in the music video. So how was that experience like, to get into the skin of star-crossed lovers who don't end up together? So what was that experience like?
No, but for me it was very refreshing and a blast, because as an actor in films, we're used to really getting into the skin of a character, and here just to get onto set and take in the mahal and create this beautiful moment immediately was really fun. Actually, it was because Guru and I connected like instantly, so it was also all just so much easier. But it's so raw and refreshing. I think the emotion in Mehendi Wale Haath, which is the nicest part.
I wanted to ask Guru about this because when we read about your story of how you've come up in the music industry, going through all of those hardships, how did you keep yourself going on, throughout all these years? Because you went through, a slump for a few years before you reached an all-time high, and now everyone's talking about Guru Randhawa. So I wanted to ask you, how has that journey been for you?
So वो भी टाइम बहुत अच्छा था, ये भी टाइम बहुत अच्छा है. एंड वही ऑडियंस जुड़ी हुई है फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड लेवल, जिन्होंने बिकॉज वी बीइंग इंडिपेंडेंट आर्टिस्ट, हमें पता नहीं होता हम कब चलेंगे. जो न्यू कमर्स अभी हार्ड वर्क कर रहे होंगे, जस्ट दे सम पीपल दे लुक अप टू मी, सम पीपल लुक अप टू सम अदर आर्टिस्ट. वो उनको लगता होगा यार कैसे होता होगा ये इंडिपेंडेंट एकदम गाना चल जाना, फिर उसके बाद अगला गाना करना, क्या प्रोसेस होता होगा. बट वंस यू नो द प्रोसेस, वंस यू नो हाउ इज इट सपोज्ड टू बी डन, उसके बाद इजी है. बट देन एट द सेम टाइम इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कोप अप, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग उम्मीद रखते हैं आपसे फिर एक डिफरेंट लेवल की, और उसी को बस आपको वही चैलेंज है. बट उसको गुस्से में कर लो, उसको इरिटेट होके कर लो, या उसको खुश रह के कर लो, इट्स ऑल इन योर हैंड्स, बिकॉज वो तो चेंज नहीं होने वाला. आई माई सेल्फ, मैंने खुद चूज करी है लाइफ, एंड मैंने खुद चूज करा है कि पीपल शुड नो मी, पीपल शुड लव मी. एंड अगर मैं अभी बोलूँ यार ये कौन आ गया, ये मैं तो तंग हो रहा हूँ, देन इट्स नॉट मी, देन तो भगवान ने किसी गलत आदमी को चीज दे दी है जो डिजर्व ही नहीं करता था. सो आई एंजॉय एवरी मोमेंट. आई तब भी अब भी आई लव एवरीथिंग अराउंड.
Obviously, 2020 was a monumental year for you with Dil Bechara's release. And what I wanted to ask, months from now, people are still, showering praises over Dil Bechara. What I wanted to ask you is how
most liked trailer and the biggest ever online opening.
That is true. That is true. So what I wanted to ask you is, looking back on it, months from now, especially with Sushant Singh Rajput's legacy as well, how do you want people to remember Dil Bechara? Like say years from now, what is that takeaway that you want to take with you?
The thing with Dil Bechara is that it's going to be remembered for everybody, each one of the crores of people who've seen it has their own individual relationship with it, which is very intimate. And I've realized that when I've been, for the past 3-4 months, I've been out and about and traveling a lot, working and meeting a lot of people and hearing from them finally after lockdown in actual flesh and blood what they felt. And that's what I want it to be. I want everybody to have their own special relationship with it, because I know they do, with our characters, with the music, with absolutely everything. And for me personally, it's what's taught me everything I know about not just the craft, but it's taught me life, and it's made me grow up in many ways. And there's a lot of gratitude, there's a lot of heartbreak, there's everything there. So for me, what it is personally is different, but I think for our audiences, I just want them to remember it the way they do and continue to love it the way they do, like you said.
Previously, you were talking about how you were shooting for Om. And I wanted to ask you, how is that working experience with Aditya like? Because it's a complete 360 from Dil Bechara. You go from romance to like full-on action. So how is that experience?
I'm having such a blast. I can't tell you. Shooting an action film is seeing magic happen, because it's such a craft. The way we learn our action choreographies, Adi and I have been training a lot in hand-to-hand combat and missile, like using weapons and all of that. I'm having a blast. I wish I could say more about the film, but working with him is just one of the nicest things that I've been able to experience, for sure.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You.
Bye.